Okay, we're going to take a look at number 48 that we did in class. So if you have any questions, you can check out how we're going to work this out. Let's get the pointer here. Okay, we're dealing with this situation where we have negative exponents and we have parentheses. And in a situation like this, we want to get rid of the parentheses first, as I have indicated right here. And after that, we get rid of the negative exponents. And then it's quite a bit simpler problem to work with. So let's get rid of the parentheses first. So in the numerator, there are no parentheses. So we're just going to keep the 3, the w, and the y to the negative 2 up there in the numerator. In the denominator, we have parentheses with an exponent of 3. So we're going to be raising a power to a power, but basically this is a power of a product. So we're going to apply the exponent to each factor within the parentheses. And so we're going to take w to the negative 1 power and raise it to the third. So we multiply exponents when we raise a power to a power. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So we start out with w to the negative 3. Then we apply the 3 to the y, and so that becomes y to the third, because it's y to the 1 already, and 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, so we've gotten rid of the parentheses, and now we want to get rid of the negative exponents. So in the numerator, we go from left to right. It's a good idea to go in a certain order so that you're always doing the same thing. So the 3 has a positive exponent of 1, so we're going to keep it up there. The w, another positive exponent of 1. So remember, those are 1s automatically are there. And then the y to the negative 2 has a negative exponent, so we are going to bring it down to the bottom and make it positive. W to the negative 3 on the denominator, since it's negative, will move to the top, or to the numerator, and become a positive exponent. And then y to the third is positive, so we leave it here in the denominator. Alright, we've gotten rid of the parentheses, we've gotten rid of the negative exponents, so now it's a fairly basic problem. We have 3, and there's no other coefficient to work with, so we leave it at 3. W times w to the third is a situation where we add exponents because we're multiplying powers. So we have 1 plus 3. So it becomes w to the fourth power. In the denominator, you have y squared times y to the third. Add exponents, it's y to the fifth. There you go. No parentheses, no negative exponents. You have this simplified. There's only one letter represented, or one representation for each letter. So you are done.